So today is the last day of 2019. I just ended work and it's 2 I think, 2 p.m. This is our last lunch of the year. This is dry truffle ramen. It's also your last lunch, right?
Yeah. Last meal.
It's last meal, man.
No lah.
Anyhow, it's 3:48 and people are really set up here for their tripods. Yeah, I know, quite nice. Filled with people. Oh, those are people. There's so many people. It's only what, 9?
Yeah, 9:50.
Wow. Yeah, shit. Oh, still have it. It's not midnight, by the way. So, update guys, 9:38. We are desperately trying to find somewhere. Like all our plans are not working because they are like blocking out spaces and restricting like paths. Like the MBS there got the wooden area, right? Then they also block out. So like a lot of people is at the Esplanade side. So very insane. And then the floating platform, right? It's got event. So we're like going to this bridge. We used to walk there quite a lot. And then you can see like MBS very clear. But then we are like looking at it and there's like no one there. That cannot be. No one knows about this place, right? So we are like walking, hopefully seeing that there will be no barricades, then can go up. 都没有人的。你看有很多警察，你看那边有警。是吗 ？That's it. That's it.
You see the block?
Can you see anything? I cannot see. It's too dark there. Update. Again, we are dead. We just found out that there's someone standing at the entrance of the staircase up to the bridge. Update. We are here. We walk from the other side of the bridge. Confused whether they'll chase us out later or what. Because there's like officers standing around. Then got like barricades. So now we are waiting. Still got a lot of time. A lot of time. Leave all the things here. Huh? 这些bag会自己拿哈 ？Are you tired? No?
No.
Then just now I was like combing my hair, then when I comb, then it like hit my. What you say? What you say? Then he say, he was like, what was that? 我的心 stop 耶。
Oh, it's so blocked.
Wow.
Oh, this shit is bright.
Wow, very bright 耶。Wow. The drone performance. Oh, that's so cool.
Look like a sotong. Oh, it's a wheel.
Right.
Then I can see already.
Wow! Wow! Can a bit
Oh,
Oh, that's so cool.
what?
Wow. Then 还有
Let's see.
then it's like it goes up, right?
It's still coming. Ooh, this is nice.
わあ、綺麗。
Wow. So apparently the 90 minutes fireworks show is real. It's been fireworks since 10:30 and I think it's gonna last until midnight. So much fireworks. And then like the view here, you can see everything. It's like quite nice. We are half an hour away and the place is extremely foggy. And he was joking that the PSI was 200. Excited. But they cannot see much, right? The drone performance is back.
What's that?
Wow, so cool eh. So excited. Took out the film again. Stop copying those people.
Let me step this one here.
哇，来了来了来了
Oh, it looks really cool picture.
Everyone's very excited.
I
The
scared my
last
phone, bro.
22 seconds, 21. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at, wow, the drone.
The drone is balik one lah.
Yeah, they're facing We're still standing at the bridge because there's a lot of people and then we're just waiting for people to clear out. The aftermath of it. All the way until Suntec. No? Yeah. So we're just chilling here.
Okay lah.
Okay lah, then I think here is a good spot. Maybe we could have went there a bit,
Yeah.
but it's still a good spot. Yeah. I think that's all. Is that all?
That's all, folks.
That's what kind of sign off is that?
That's all.
That's your sign off, is
No.
it? Okay, bye bye.
Bye.